And to add our final question, add new question, and we'll go to the simplest of all, the true-false question. I select it and I push add. I'm going to call this question turn editing on because that's what the question will be about. And the text is, to add an activity to Moodle, you must first add turn editing on. This is a true or false question, so we need to set the answer right. We'll ignore the feedback, but the correct answer is actually true, so make sure that value is correct, and at that point you can save the changes. I just want to first show something else. If I go back to the question and I want to add an activity, you must first turn editing on using the, and then I want to add a picture of the button itself that we've seen. So I go up to add an image. I'm given this file picker, browse repositories, browse, turn editing on, open, and upload this file. And this process takes a while. I paused the video, but now it's finally arrived. We've got our image, and we'll just save things like that. Actually, it won't let me save it until I put a description here. That's for accessibility reasons. Now I'll save the image. And I can see that it'd be nice if it was a little smaller and maybe lower down. I'll double click on it. We'll make it maybe 90, and this will change automatically. It's better, and I'll put it in the middle instead of the bottom. Save image now. So to add the activity to Moodle, you must first turn editing on using the turn editing on button. The answer is true, and I can save my changes now and go back to the list of questions. Let me just preview that to see that it's worked okay. The quiz comes up. To add an activity in Moodle, you must first turn it on using the button. I'll put false, fill in the correct answer, which should give me true. It does. It all works. I can close that. And these are going to be the 4 questions I use. As you can see, this one's been given a maximum mark of 1. This was the gap fill. There were 3 gaps, so it's automatically put 3 marks, 1, etc. And we can change the weight of these if we want to, just by typing a new number in there and pressing enter. Seeing as that's the entirety of my quiz, I'm now going to save it. Once the quiz has been saved, I can just return to the course itself. And here it is. It's grayed out, but I'm going to make it visible to the students, and it's come its proper color again. That's now ready to use.